Cannon, tell Gma that you hope she feels better soon.
I feel better soon, Gma.
She was feeling bad, but now she's going to feel good.
I feel good, Gma.
Where's Amelia?
I feel...
Don't squash her. Don't squash her. Cannon. Don't squash her. Be sweet. Give her kisses. She thinks that's funny. You want to make her laugh? Well, I don't know about that. Oh, that's sweet. Well, she liked that.
Amelia.
What in the world? Cannon, you're squashing her. She thinks that's funny. You're a couple of weird kids.
Little lamb, jingle bell, jingle
Peanut. He's got the crazy eyes. Whee! Say hi, Gma. Kiss, kiss, kiss.